So there's a way of selling ebooks on Amazon in 2019 where you don't have to write the book yourself, you don't even own the book yourself, and it's completely free. So in this video, we're going to be looking at that Amazon ebook hack and exactly how you can do it yourself. So thanks for tuning in to Starting. My name's Greg, and last year I made $20,000 using the technique, the method I'm going to be talking to you about in this video. This video is all about passive income tips, so make sure to subscribe for more informative videos just like this. Okay, so if you normally research selling ebooks on Amazon, you're usually going to find like a YouTube video or a blog post that run you through this standard step-by-step process. First step is writing the book, which is going to take you either a lot of time if you do it yourself, or money if you're paying a ghostwriter to write that book for you. The next step is then proofreading what's been written, so checking for grammar mistakes, punctuation mistakes. Like I said, if you do that yourself, that's more time that's going to take you, or if you pay someone to do that, that's more money you're paying up front. Third, you're going to have to format what you've written so it's in proper structure and laid out as a book should be. And you're typically going to pay a professional to do this for you because it takes a lot of time to learn exactly how to do it yourself. So that's even more money you're spending up front there. Fourth, you're going to have to get a book cover design for the front page of your book. So that's finding a graphic designer and paying a graphic designer to do that design work for you. That's more money you're paying up front. Finally, you're going to have to publish what's been written into ebook-like format, which you need to have software to do that for you. So that's typically going to cost you to buy that software to publish the writing into book format. So that's more money out of your pocket at the start of the process. Then you upload the finalized ebook up to Amazon. So after you've done that standard process, you then have to upload it to Amazon and just hope that you make sales. After you spend all of that time or all of that money up front, you have to just hope that there's an audience, that there's an appetite for what you've written, and hope to make sales. So a lot of risk in taking that approach. And yeah, a typical ebook that you sell on Amazon for maybe $6.99 might get you like $4 of profit per sale. So there's a nice amount of profit there if you can make the sale. But like I said before, you're investing time and money into getting that ebook written, and there's a risk that that is all going to be a waste. But I personally found a method to make a living from by selling ebooks on Amazon by not doing any of that stuff I've just covered. You're not spending the time or money getting the book made. This method is free and it doesn't take any time. So if that 0% risk sounds like a better approach to you, make sure to smash that like button. First off, you're going to go onto Amazon.com and you're going to find a book that you want to sell that already exists. And when you found a book that appeals to you, you're going to use a tool within Amazon to get a link for that book, and you're going to sell the book using this link Amazon's given you completely for free. So that's the method. You're selling books that already exist on Amazon, and Amazon is going to pay you a commission for every book sale you make through their website. So you're going to make a commission and the original author is going to make their profit too. So this is the model in diagram form. First off, you find the ebook. You then sell the ebook using that unique link that Amazon has given you. Then Amazon can track that sale back to you because you've sold it using your link, and Amazon is going to pay you a commission, and it's also going to pay the author money in the forms of their profits. So selling ebooks through Amazon this way is completely free. You've not spent any money hiring writers or graphic designers, and you've not even paid Amazon to upload the book to their platform. And it takes no time. You can get this link instantaneously. I've just shown you how to do it, and you can pull it anywhere that you want to make sales, whether it's social media profiles, on your blog, giving it to your friend by email. You can do it completely for free. And because this is free and you can do it instantaneously, you can basically find and try as many books as you want and put those links in as many places as you want as possible to really try and maximize the chance of making a sale yourself. So you're not limited to just starting to sell the one book you've written yourself. You can find an unlimited amount of books and make an unlimited amount of sales. So I'll give you an example now. So let's go back to this book, Neon Prey, and get my link. I'll just copy it here. I could sell this book on my Facebook page that I have for this YouTube channel. So I could put the link here to the book, and I could write on this post, hey gang, buy this book. It's great. And then whenever anyone clicks on that post on Facebook and goes to Amazon and buys that book, I'm going to get paid a commission. I could do the same thing on my Instagram page. I could pop the link down here on my bio. I could make a post with the book's image, which we can see here, and say, hey, I've just read this great book. Click the link in my description to buy it yourself. And Amazon is going to pay me a commission anytime someone goes from there, from my Instagram account, and buys a product. So this method of selling things that already exist and making a commission off that sale, like the model I'm showing you right now, is called affiliate marketing. So it's getting a link for a product that already exists on Amazon or on many other websites, selling that product yourself and getting paid a commission. Now, I've built my livelihood around affiliate marketing. I make a full-time income. Like I said, I made around $20,000 last year from just using this method. And I made the majority of that money by doing affiliate marketing through this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. So I've already shown you here how Facebook is a method for putting your links out into the world and selling those products. Instagram is a method. If you want to learn how to do that through YouTube, I actually have a free 40-minute training video showing you exactly how to do affiliate marketing through YouTube, how I was able to do it myself, and within a year I was living off my YouTube channel full time from my affiliate marketing commissions. If you want to learn how to do this version of selling ebooks through YouTube and driving people back to Amazon, pop down to my website, the link will be in the description below. Pop your email address in here and I will email you that free 45-minute training of how to take advantage of affiliate marketing through YouTube to get thousands of people clicking and buying products. Okay, cool. So if you want to do this yourself with ebooks on Amazon, you're going to have to follow 4 steps to get set up to do this. First off, you need to go to this website, which is the Amazon Associates website. This is where you basically make your Amazon account into an associate account. So as well as being able to shop through Amazon, you can also promote other people's products too. So you're going to go to this website, Amazon Associates. I'll put a link below. It's run by Amazon. It's all legit and above board. You click this button here to join now and basically make your account an account where you can get your links to each of those individual products. Step number 2 is to then find a product that you want to promote. And once you then have your Amazon account expanded into an associate account, you're going to get this gray bar at the top where you're able to get links for individual products, to use those links to sell them and to make your commission. So once you've got your Amazon Associates account set up, step number 1, you're going to go back to Amazon and just find any ebook that you want to sell yourself. So let's go down here, the perfect first as an example, find your products, and then when that product's loaded, you're going to go to the bar at the top and get your link, which comes up here. So that's step 1, 2, and 3. Sign up to Amazon Associates, find your products is number 2, and then get your link number 3. And then step number 4 is to use that link. Like I said, you can use it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just like I do on this channel, blog posts, emails, wherever and whenever you can think of using your link, you can do it. And that's it. It's that simple. It's free. It takes no time. You can get started today. It's a program run by Amazon that not many people who are thinking about selling ebooks on Amazon know about. And it's a way you can dip your toe into selling ebooks without having any of those risks that come at the start. And if you're still attached to the idea of making your own ebook, sure, you can start off with affiliate marketing on Amazon. Find what topics, what categories of books sell well and what don't, and you can use that to guide your decision into what type of book to write yourself later on. So you're reducing the risk later on when you actually do decide to write an ebook from scratch. And if taking that big step of writing and owning your own ebook and selling it on Amazon with less risk sounds better than the original option, then make sure to like this video to let me know. Cool, so let me know in the comments any ideas of where else you could put your links. I've already said Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any other ideas where you could distribute your links and get sales, let me and the rest of viewers know in the comments below. And I just wanted to basically give you this video as a little 2019 hack of how to sell Amazon ebooks for free with no time. So you can do this. Anyone can join the Amazon Associates program, whether you're in America or around the world globally. This is accessible to anyone, so what's your excuse? Get signed up and get going. So thanks for watching, everyone. Starting up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I give you more passive income, online income tips just like this in every video. I'd really appreciate it if you can sign up and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the year. Yeah, and I'll speak to you very soon.